Hello Virgo, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to read the cards for you. This is a core relationship reading. Only pure relationship related cards will be here. So let's quickly see how the vibrations are of your relationship in the month of September 2020. Virgo, I will read the vibrations of your cards in terms of your partner's energies, your energies, and the overall events, the way they are taking place in your relationship sector, the relationship era in the month of September 2020. What is the key for you in the month of September of this relationship specifically? I will say that patience, be calm, don't fight, don't argue in this month. I am not saying that take everything whatever comes on you and then which is fair unfair, no, but then try to maintain your calm very well. Control your language. When I say language, do not get abusive with anyone, because that's the key in September, Virgo. You will feel at a loss, Virgo. What loss? You feel that no one is yours. You're not getting the desired love, you're not getting the desired respect in this relationship, and you are upset about it. That's one. You're very upset. Why? Because your partner is acting not as a leader but as a dictator now. So he wants things his way, and you think that your partner is changing a lot, or maybe he's behaving like a chameleon in the month of September. He's changing colors, and which the colors you've not seen in past ever. That's disheartening for you. That's making you worried. You're upset. So the kind of support you're expecting from your partner, you're not getting that, Virgo, and this disappoints you. Now, what are you doing out of this situation? What is happening? Your partner is actually not a chameleon. He's actually not someone who's changing colors. It's about you. You maybe have different expectations from him or her, and their situation does not allow them to actually what should we call it? They are not really can't really pass that test what you have put for them, or the way you expect them to be with you. You're thinking a lot. What are you thinking? You're thinking about past. You're thinking about the commitments. You're thinking about the way they had said that they will support you if you get into something, or maybe if you have started something new, or there you're not very happy. That's something that can also happen, and this is why looking back and thinking, oh, my life there, the previous to that person, or maybe previous to that particular thing happened. So maybe currently you've started something new, currently you've started something which earlier you had your partner support in, but then now you think that no, my life is better earlier, it is not good now, I'm not happy now, and why is this happening? And you always have stress on your face. That's something which is very, very evident here. Another thing is overthinking, which is happening in your cards. You are overthinking about what? You're overthinking about your partner. You've been thinking, oh, I wish I did not have this person as my partner. Maybe I would have got ahead with someone else in life. You are thinking about your past choices also, that maybe one of them would have been a better choice to get ahead. So that's also there. That's happening. The overthinking is certainly happening here. Few of you, I think some hidden truths will come out, some hidden things will come out in light, and you will not like it, or maybe your partner will not like it, and they will become a little negative about the entire situation, entire scenario, and they will become, or you become so negative that even if a positive person wants to surround you here in this situation, you will not accept that support. You will not accept that beautiful blessing which is coming all the way suddenly towards you, and it tries to help you. You will not even extend your hands to take support from those people. That's another energy. Your life is going through and going to get through a very drastic change, Virgo. There's a change happening in your life. there's a period which is getting over in your life, and there is a new phase which is starting in your life. So there's a transition happening from past to future. I will not say present, because you don't relate to your present right now. So from your past, that is not happening, what was happening in past. Future is something new which is happening, which is not related to your present anyhow. You are your partner, even if they want to nurture you, they want to give you positive energies, positive vibrations. Your energies are so that you don't want to understand that beautiful energy. You wanted to be with someone in past, that did not really work out. You got married to this person, and or maybe you are in relationship with a new person, and here also you are thinking about someone else. So you want someone else to be a part of your relationship. How? You want someone new in your life. You don't see your soulmate anymore in that one person. But what is required here? Virgo, you are at fault. You are over expecting things. You are not ready to take up the positive advices which are coming your way from your partner or your friends. So you are being negative here. What is required is here, that's a heart to heart conversation with your partner. That's very much important and very much required. Talk it out. Otherwise you will spoil things and the outcome will not be very promising. This is the outcome card of the relationship reading, because you will reach to a stage wherein you both would not want to listen to each other. You would not want to understand each other's perspective, and that's there where the problem is coming. For your reading, I'm going to pull a few more cards. Why? Because I need to seek few more clarifications here. First of all, let's take an advice for your relationship in the month of September. What advice you should really religiously follow. And there's one card which has come. There isn't a soul on the planet who doesn't crave your approach. And I would like to pull one more card for you. Forgive people. Why do you really keep grudges in your mind and think, oh, this cannot happen, this person cannot change, things cannot get better? Move on from things, people and perspectives in a positive manner. Forgive people, move on in life. Why do you keep grudges in your mind and heart? That's something which is very important. Also, you need to realize and need to identify who's your friend and who's not a friend, and accordingly you will realize that if you will invest in your friends, your love affection will grow. If you will invest in wrong people, it will not grow. Similarly, if you will invest in negative thoughts, you will not grow. But then if you will invest into positive thoughts, you will grow. So please grow in life. Talk it out. Having a conversation is the key in any relationship. You will not talk, nothing will move. So talking is something which will change your perspective towards your life, and that's very important here. Transformation is happening. Why do I say, and what do I really see in your card? It's a death card. Death is not about negativity. It is about changes in life. Life changes. And I will also suggest you to take care of your finances very, very well. And do not be dependent on alcohol, any kind of addictive things which can spoil your life. And do not take support of these external things, these elements to stabilize your life, because it is not going to stabilize your life at all. It is going to ruin it. Okay. Financial changes are happening your way. Maybe you will get benefited. You will have financial benefits in a lot of situations, and things will move in a positive direction for you very, very soon, Virgo. But subject to You start talking, have conversation. Okay, that's very important here. Overall, comparisons, comparing your partner with others, comparing your situation with others, comparisons is going to ruin your life altogether. Listen to your partner. They are not your enemies, they're your friend, they are your companion. So if you will not talk to them, nothing will get better, or nothing will improve in your life if you will not talk it out. So please talk to your partner. Reach me on 918448901791 for your personalized reading. You can email me also on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. Visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. Thank you so much. Take care and God bless you all.